A pleasant afternoon. I am Salvi Hernandez, 15 years old, and I have autism. This day meant so much to me, to us, because back then, during my first session with a school developmental pedia, the doctor couldn't even assure my parents if I can go to school. I had so many challenges. Allow me to thank the Lord for making me understand why He made me different. I have extremely weird senses, and they are either hypersensitive or problematic. My taste buds are hyper, that's why I'm picky with foods. I easily turn red or sometimes get rashes when I eat food that my body don't like. But it didn't stop me from trying new dishes. My right ear hears sounds much louder than normal. Because of that, my doctor said that I didn't need a hearing aid because it compensates to my left totally deaf ear. And I heavily rely on my eyeglasses. I couldn't see well without this. I was diagnosed with autism at the age of 3. It wasn't easy to have autism back then. Centers, special schools, and even therapists were so few. The waiting list is long, and therapy centers are always full. It will take you months to get a slot, but thanks to all new passionate therapists, SPED teachers, and developmental pedias, now more and more kids and individuals are getting access to their needed help. To Teacher Jenny and to all devoted teachers, big thanks to you all for the many wonderful years I spent in Hope Horizon, my second home. Thank you for all your patience and for making school not so hard for us. Teacher Jenny, do you remember the first time I did a report in class? It was about Saturn. My mom and dad kept watching the video you sent to them. It made me feel good, and it made me want to try other things. To all the parents, family members, and of course to my mom and dad, thank you for your love. Thank you for being genuinely happy and proud to all big or even small achievements. At home, we celebrate even small wins. At home, I didn't have to be the top in class or a champion in a contest to make my parents proud. My mere trying is good enough. Thank you everyone for allowing us to experience things. We will try to remember all these. Continue to cheer for us. Continue to pray for us. To my classmates, Ben and Martin, and to everyone here, let's continue to try and be the best versions of ourselves. We are all unique and we are all special. To God be the glory. Thank you.